This is a fire engine. This is a fire truck. A fire engine carries hose and water. They're the ones that go and put the water onto a fire. A fire truck is designed to do support operations at fires. They have a 100-foot extension aerial ladder, and they carry a whole complement of tools. We'll send just the truck on some public service calls, things like a vehicle lockout or a sheared hydrant. We'll send just an engine on our medical calls, fire investigations, and public service calls. We'll dispatch the engine and the truck together on structure fires, traffic collisions, heavy rescues, and other types of emergencies requiring all of our personnel. Thanks for visiting us here at Fire Station 54, and make sure to watch Hearts of Heroes to see our firefighters in action.